Hey, what's up everyone? Eric with Highlight Event Rentals. I'm here with our 10x10 Eurmax heavy duty pop-up tent, and I'm going to show you how to set this up. Let's get started. Now I'm going to go under and push up on the mast, and you'll see how this pops right up. Now you push up on each individual leg until it locks into place. You're going to secure the canopy to the frame with Velcro straps, and they're located right here at the halfway point between the poles. Now at this point, your tent should look like this. The poles have not been extended yet, but the tent is fully open. Next, we're going to stake down the legs with these provided nails. Now these nails are just meant to secure those leg posts from actually moving. It'll make it much easier when you go to raise those poles to their full height if you have the legs pinned to the ground. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll add the ratchets and the stakes. Each leg has now been pinned to the ground. Next, we're going to raise the poles to their full height, so the canopy is going to go up. And you'll see when we do that, it'll tilt back a little bit, but that's okay. And then we're going to put these stakes into the ground at each corner, and these curl into the ground. They're very easy to do. And then we're going to attach these ratchet straps to hold the canopy to the ground. The nails that are in the feet right now are just meant to secure them. They don't really hold as much holding power as we need to keep this fully to the ground. Now we're going to put in the stakes, and I'm going to use another stake here, or a nail, or a piece of wood, just to help me twist this into the ground. So it's good to go. Okay, that's done. Now you can check to make sure that the stakes are in by just giving a little tug, and they should not pull out of the ground. Next, we're going to take our ratchet straps and attach our top of our canopy to the stakes to hold it to the ground. Now these are our ratchet straps, and these are retractable, so they're very easy. You just pull them out. In order to engage the ratchet, you hit the red button and you can ratchet them up. In order to retract this strap, very easy, just hit the red button and hold it, and it'll run right back in the mechanism. So I'm going to show you how we attach this and ratchet it up, and we'll be good to go. There we go. Tent is complete. It's attached to the ground, nice and secure. You're ready to move in your furniture. You can add your sidewalls at this point. It's basically ready to go. Again, I'm Eric with Highlight Event Rentals. Hope this has helped you out. If you are interested in renting one of our 10x10 premium pop-up tents, give me a call, send me a DM, text me, go to my website. You can rent it on there as well. And thank you so much.